Hello everyone, this is Dharamveer sir here. So today we are going to start chapter 9 of grade 12 maths, which is differential equations. And in this video we will learn about the order and degree of a differential equation. Okay, so let's start. So first let me tell you the meaning of a differential equation. So an equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to some independent variable is called a differential equation. It is very simple that if we have any equation of the form dy upon dx equals some function of x or any constant, then it will be called a differential equation. Okay, so differential equation involving derivatives of dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable is called an ordinary differential equation. As you can see, there are two differential equations. First is x dy upon dx plus y equals 0, and second one is 2 dy upon dx2 plus dy upon dx whole cube equals to 0. Clear? So this will be an ordinary differential equation. It is very simple. If any equation involves derivatives dy upon dx, it will be a differential equation. Clear? So pause and note down. Now there are a few notations that we represent dy upon dx as y dash, d2 upon dx2 as y double dash, d3y upon dx3 as y triple dash, and so on. And for higher order derivatives, it will be inconvenient to use so many dashes, so we write dny upon dxn as yn. Clear? So coming to order of a differential equation. Now order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. Okay, you can see there are three differential equations. First is dy upon dx equals to e power x. So here the highest derivative is dy upon dx, and the order of this one is 1. So we say that it is a differential equation of order 1. Second, we have d2 upon dx2 plus y equals 0. So we have derivative up to power 2, double derivative. So it is called a differential equation of order 2. Coming to third one, we have d3y upon dx3 plus x square d2 upon dx2 whole cube equals 0. Here the highest order, the level at which up to which we have differentiated is 3. So the d3y upon dx3. So the order of the given differential equation will be 3. It is very simple. Up to which level we have differentiated? Only once, so order 1. Twice, double derivative, so order 2, and so on. Clear? So pause and note down this point. Next is degree of a differential equation. Now degree, defined or not defined, there are two cases. So degree when defined of a differential equation is the highest power positive integer only if of the highest order derivative. So highest order derivative and its power should be the degree of the differential equation. Okay, now degree of a differential equation defined only if it is a polynomial equation in its derivatives. Now here we have three different equations. First is d3y upon dx3 plus 2 d2 upon dx2 whole square minus dy upon dx plus y equals 0. Now here the highest order of the derivative is 3, that is d3y upon dx3. So the degree of this will be 1, because the power of d3y upon dx3 is 1. Now equation 2 is dy upon dx whole square plus dy upon dx minus sin square y equals 0. Now here the highest order is 1, so only single derivative dy upon dx is there, and the power of dy upon dx is 2. So the degree of this equation will be equal to 2. Now coming to the third one, which is dy upon dx plus sin y into dy upon dx equals 0. Now here we don't have polynomial equation in dy upon dx because we have sin dy upon dx, trigonometric function. Okay, so since this is not a polynomial equation, so degree of such an equation cannot be defined. Okay, so pause and note down these points. So let's start exercise 9.1, and the question 1 is determine order and degree if defined of the differential equation d power 4y upon dx power 4 plus sin y triple dash equals to 0. Now the differential equation is given as d4y upon dx4 plus sin y triple dash equals to 0. Now the highest order is very clear, that since we have differentiated to 4, so we have d4y upon dx4, so the order will be equal to 4. Now the given equation is not a polynomial because we have sin y triple dash. It is not a polynomial equation. Okay, therefore we have a trigonometric function and a derivative in case of the trigonometric function. So the degree of the given equation, given differential equation, is not defined. So remember these points. It have to be a polynomial equation to get the degree. Okay, so pause and note down. Moving to question 3. Determine the order and degree if defined of ds upon dt power 4 plus 3s d2s upon dt square equals 0. Now here we have the highest order as. We have the equation ds upon dt power 4 plus 3s d2s upon dt2 equals 0. Now the highest order of the differentiation is what? Double. We can see that d2s upon dt2 is there. So the order is 2. And it is a polynomial equation. There is no trigonometric, there is no exponential, nothing. It is a polynomial. Okay. So its degree will be defined. And the degree is the power of the highest order. And the highest order is what? d2s upon dt2. And its power is 1. So degree of the given differential equation will be equals to 1. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Next is question 5. Determine the order and degree of d2y upon dx2 equals to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Okay. So we have the differential equation at d2y upon dx2 equals to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Now it is clearly visible that the highest order is 2 because we have d2y upon dx2. So the order of the given differential equation is 2. And it is a polynomial equation. Now you can be confused that we have cos 3x and sin 3x. But it have to be a differential polynomial equation in case of differential. And here cos 3x and sin 3x. 3x and 3x are not derivatives. So it is a polynomial in case of derivatives. Okay. And the power of the highest order derivative, that is d2 upon dx2, is 1. So the degree will be equal to 1. Now the remark, you can see that it is noted that the terms cos 3x and sin 3x present in the given differential equation are trigonometric functions but not trigonometric function or derivative. Okay, so remember that point, that difference. Okay, so pause and note down the solution. Moving to question 7. Determine the order and degree of y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash equals 0. So we have the equation, differential equation of y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash equals 0. Now it is very clear that the highest order of derivative is what? Triple dash, y triple dash is there. So the order of the given differential equation is 3. And the power of y triple dash, that is the highest order, is 1. Y triple dash is 1. So the degree will be equals to 1. Done? So pause and note down the solution. Moving to question 9. Determine the order and degree of y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y equals 0. Now the given differential equation we have y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y equals 0. So we can clearly see that the highest order is y. What? We have only double derivative y double dash. So the order of the given differential equation is 2. Now the power of the highest order y double dash is 1. We have y dash whole square, but the highest order derivative is 2 because y double dash is there, and the power of y double dash is 1. So the degree of the given differential equation will be equals to 1. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. Now moving to question 10. Determine the order and degree of y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y equals 0. So we have the differential equation as y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y equals 0. Now here the highest order is what? Y double dash. Y double dash. So the order of the given differential equation will be equals to 2. And the power of the highest order is, that is y double dash power is 1. So degree of the given differential equation is 1. Clear? Now again we have sin y. But if it was sin dy upon dx, that is the trigonometric function in some derivative, then the degree of the given differential equation would not have been defined. Keep this point in mind. Okay. So pause and note down the solution. Moving to question 11. The degree of the differential equation d2y upon dx2 whole cube plus dy upon dx whole square plus sin dy upon dx plus 1 equals 0 is, there are 4 options. Now we have to check which one is right. Now as you can see that it is not a polynomial equation in case of derivative, because we have sin dy upon dx, which is a trigonometric function for the derivative dy upon dx. And from the definition of degree we know that if it is not a polynomial equation, then the degree is not defined. So out of these 4 options, we have the option D, which is as not defined. Okay, so pause and note down the solution. Moving to question 12. The order of the differential equation 2x squared d2y upon dx2 minus 3 dy upon dx plus y equals 0 is, now there are 4 options. Now we have d2y upon dx2 and dy upon dx, and the highest order is what? 2, because d2y upon dx2 double derivative there. And according to definition of the order of a differential equation, the highest order derivative that is present in the given differential equation is the order of the differential equation. So the highest order of derivative is what? d2y upon dx2. So the order of the differential equation is 2, which is our option A. Clear? So pause and note down the solution. With this, we end exercise 9.1. So solve the remaining sums and don't forget to solve the examples given before the exercise. Okay? Thank you and all the best.